Welcome back to another episode of Tech Tuesday. We continue our series focused on AI in Fintech. Today we'll be talking about the future proofing of Fintech applications and platforms with AI. AI and ML will play an increasingly center stage role in all type of applications, whether it's engaging with customers, whether it's in the back office where credit assessment is happening, whether it's in customer servicing, whether it's in loan servicing or financial product creation, etc. There's going to be a pervasiveness of AI in all aspects of financial technology. Over the next 5 years, I see use cases broadly increasing and penetration of AI and usage of AI in all such use cases increasing. Specifically, what we need to watch out for and what is very interesting is obviously AI is more on the edge right now, where customer engagement is deepening with AI, customer education is deepening with AI. We also started already seeing, in fact, we use heavily AI in credit assessment and straight through processing and machines taking the decisions on credit. I see a future over the next 2-3 years where some of the most innovative companies will start designing financial products and personalizing finance using customized AI models. So that's another area. Another area that I see a lot of AI penetration over the next 5 years is the fact that there is a lot of collection related activities. Now, collection is by itself inherently it's not a very customer centric exercise. It's something which is a little touchy, which is a little sensitive, if you were to say, from a customer experience perspective. So figuring out what is the best way and balancing out defaults, stopping them before they can happen, helping the customers if they're likely to get into default before they actually end up defaulting. And if they have defaulted, helping the customers create a path for themselves in a self-service way that they can recover from that default and they don't become an asset or they don't become a written-off asset or they don't end up being penalized for this written-off loan. So that is the future of FinTech, and I see a very pervasive role for AI in each one of these areas. Everybody is talking about generative AI today, and generative AI fundamentally, as we have discussed in one of the earlier episodes, it's a very beautiful technology that allows us from an AI perspective to learn and create human-like experiences or human-like decision making. Large language models, which are becoming a norm today, are also generative AI plus the large language model is creating another area. But what exactly is exciting for me individually and where I see a lot of fintech and financial companies benefiting from are the large language model, machine vision plus generative AI coming together. That's where the machine can not only benefiting from a huge database or a huge language model that it can use for conversing and interpreting, but it's also using machine vision within that generative AI framework altogether to really become a living machine which can see, which can interpret what it is seeing, and then it can communicate with the customer. We've already started seeing some initiatives which are pushing the boundary on these aspects. Over the next 2-3 years, I see that this will be one of the most phenomenal capabilities, and fintech is likely to gain from it in a lot of aspects. We are already working on creating use cases and adopting this technology within our platform. So stay tuned for further updates. We will share once we achieve success about what we are doing. It's a great question, and everybody worries about the future where machines will take away all the jobs of humans and machines will decide what is right for humans. That day, perhaps, friends, is very far away. It's not likely to happen immediately, but we are likely to see, point-specific AI which will create solutions which are better than human decision making. We're already seeing, there are self-driving cars. That technology is a point solution that is reaching a point where that algorithm is a better driver than a human driver. So similarly, these kind of point solutions will emerge. I think I believe strongly that AI will make smart humans more smarter. And what that literally means is that human beings are necessarily always pushing the boundaries. And when we create something that necessarily makes us even smarter, it helps us evolve. So what is likely to happen is that human decision making is going to get smarter by using AI in the immediate future in the next 5 to 10 years. What will perhaps create a future where machine can be smarter than an average human or all the collective human beings put together? Well, that future likely will happen when we break through in quantum computing and have the ability to run AI algorithms on quantum computers. But till that time, we are safe. And till that time, let's use AI to become smarter. Thank you for listening to Tech Tuesdays. I look forward to your comments and suggestions. And stay tuned, we'll be talking more AI.